Hello everyone. Cyber warfare has been shaking the world since the introduction of technology. Government agencies, businesses, and individuals are all affected by this threat. I have prepared a list of 5 most notorious cyber attacks in history. Let's get started with the first one. One of the biggest cyber attacks in history happened in 2015, where hackers stole $1 billion in a massive worldwide breach. They stole this money from different banks around the world. Russian cybersecurity company Kaspersky reported that a hacking group had infiltrated more than 100 banks in 30 countries. Kaspersky says digital thieves penetrated the bank's computer systems through phishing schemes. They sent an email containing a malware program called Carbanak to hundreds of banks employees, hoping to infect a bank's administrative computer. Once the email was opened, malware started to install and began to record videos and taking screenshots of the bank's computers so that hackers could learn bank procedures. Malware also enabled hackers to control the bank's computer remotely. Once they got familiar with the bank's operations, they directed the bank's computers to steal money in a variety of ways, transferring money into hackers' fraudulent bank accounts, using e-payment systems to send money to the fraudulent overseas accounts, directing ATMs to dispense money at set times and locations. Russia, Japan, Switzerland, United States, and Netherlands are among the affected countries. Attack on CNA Financial Corporation. One of the biggest insurance carriers in the US was hit by a ransomware attack on March 2021, causing a network disruption, and CNA officials were locked out of their network for 2 weeks. Bloomberg reported that CNA paid $40 million ransom to the threat actors to regain control of its network after a ransomware attack, but CNA has not confirmed the payment because of privacy. In a statement posted to its website, CNA referred to it as a sophisticated cyber attack and said that they took immediate action by proactively disconnecting systems from the CNA network. Hackers used malware called Phoenix Locker, a variant of ransomware dubbed Hades. Hades was created by a Russian cybercrime syndicate known as Evil Corp, according to cybersecurity experts. Hades was built to bypass US sanctions placed on the hacking group. Attack on NASA and US Defense Department. Jonathan James, 15 years old boy, who hacked NASA and US Defense Department in 1999 and secured a place in the Hackers Hall of Fame. James had managed to penetrate the computers of US Department of Defense Division and installed a backdoor on its servers. This allowed him to intercept thousands of internal emails from different government organizations, including ones containing username and password for various military computers. Using stolen information, James was able to steal a piece of NASA software, which cost the Space Exploration Agency $41,000, and systems were shut down for 3 weeks. According to NASA, software worth was $1.7 million and is used to support International Space Station's physical environment, including control of temperature and humidity within living space. James was later caught but received a light sentence due to his young age. He committed suicide in 2008 after he was accused of conspiring with other hackers to steal credit card information. James denied the allegation in his suicide letter. Let's move on to the next attack. Mafia boy caused $1 billion in damages. Another 15-year-old boy, Michael Kells, also known as a Mafia boy, caused damage in cyberspace in the year 2000. Kells was a Canadian high school student when he decided to execute DDoS attack on several high-profile commercial websites, including Amazon, CNN, eBay, and Yahoo. An industry expert estimated that the attack resulted in a $1.7 billion damage bill. Later, he was apprehended because he was still a kid. Kells was sentenced in 2001 to 8 months in open custody, which means his movements and actions would be restricted. His online access was also limited. Let's get on to the next attack. Phone lines blocked to win Porsche. Kevin Poulsen is famous for his work in hacking into the Los Angeles phone system in a bid to win a Porsche on a radio competition in 1995. Los Angeles Kiss FM was offering a Porsche to the 102nd caller. Poulsen guaranteed his success as he took control of the phone network and effectively blocked incoming calls to the radio station's number and fixed himself as the winning caller. He won the Porsche, but the law caught up to him and he was sentenced to 5 years in prison. Later, he became the senior editor for Wired News. The bottom line is almost all attacks appear to be motivated primarily by financial gain. Hackers are only interested in money. Some are interested in information. Alright, so this was all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Oh, almost forgot to mention one of the disastrous attack. WannaCry ransomware happened in 2017. It infected 200,000 computers in 150 countries, and the global cost was £6 billion. This outbreak had a massive impact on many industries.